If your YouTube thumbnail doesn't grab attention, your homily will get ignored. You could have a powerful message, but if the thumbnail isn't compelling, people won't click. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail for your homily using Canva. It's free, simple, and takes less than 10 minutes. By the end, you'll know the exact formula for a thumbnail that makes people stop, look, and click, so more people can hear your homily and be impacted by God's word. Step 1 is to open Canva and choose the right size. First, head over to canva.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click Create a Design and choose YouTube Thumbnail, which is automatically set to 1280 by 720 pixels. This ensures that your thumbnail is the perfect size for YouTube and won't get stretched or cropped. Now, we need a clear, high-quality image for the thumbnail. There are two options. Number 1 is to take a screenshot from your homily video, so you can find a moment where you're making an expressive gesture or something that shows emotion or emphasis. Or the second option is to upload a separate photo. If your homily video is lower quality, you can just use a photo that you like of yourself. Now, to make the image stand out even more, remove the background so that you're not competing with distracting details. Click on your image and select the background removal tool. This is a Canva Pro feature, but there are free alternatives online. Next would be to adjust the positioning so that you are the clear focal point. Step 3 is to add bold and easy to read text. A great thumbnail doesn't need a full sentence, just a few powerful words that grab attention. You should keep it under 4 or 5 words and use big, bold fonts. Another tip is to make it high contrast for readability. Make sure your text doesn't cover your face and stands out against the background. Step 4 would be to use colors and shadows for contrast. If you need some inspo on great thumbnail designs, I have a guide below. Step 5 is you can add simple branding elements to your thumbnail, like your church's logo, colors, fonts, and stuff like that. It doesn't need to be crazy, but it's a nice touch to have. Step 6 is to download and upload your thumbnail to YouTube. Once your thumbnail is finished, click download and select PNG or JPEG for high quality. Download the Canva design and upload it to YouTube. Now, when you're uploading your homily video, go to YouTube Studio, Videos, Edit Thumbnail, and Upload Custom Thumbnail. An important thing to note is that YouTube thumbnails must be under 2 megabytes to upload, so if your file is too large, go back to Canva and download it as a compressed JPEG file to reduce the file size. Another pro tip is to use this thumbnail design as a template for future videos. This will keep your homily videos consistent and more professional, making your channel look more organized and recognizable. It also saves you time. Just swap out the text and images instead of designing a completely new one from scratch. Your homily now has a professional, eye-catching thumbnail that increases clicks and helps more people hear your message. Now to recap, open Canva and choose your YouTube thumbnail size. Step 2, upload and remove your background from your image. Step 3, add bold, easy-to-read text. Step 4, use colors and shadows for contrasting. Step 5, add simple branding elements. Step 6, download and upload your thumbnail to YouTube. Make sure it's under 2 megabytes. We have a ton of resources specifically for this video and they're all linked below. You can have the free Canva thumbnail templates, free high quality backgrounds for your thumbnails, tons of thumbnail ideas and examples, and a thumbnail checklist. In the next video, we're going to show you how to turn your homily into a blog post using AI to save time and drive more people to your church.